Yan lang, so, hindi.
Ganyan lang ako. Good morning, baby girl.
Today is another day.
Today is another day. Today is our last day. We have 3 remaining shows. It was such a busy and hectic couture day. We all had fun, which is always good, and that's the number one, even if it's technically work. So we're very blessed to have that kind of vibe. How many shows did I miss? Sad to say, this trip. Actually, Yanin Couture.
Yung mga first days.
Oh, so I missed about 6 shows this season kasi hindi na talaga kaya ng katawang lupa ko. And also the schedule was pretty tight. But hopefully next season I get to see that. I'm just so lucky that we have all of these beautiful invites from all of the houses. I'm just so blessed. Let's enjoy the last day of everybody!
Fashion Week!
Ate Reg, we love you here. Now I'll always love you.
Pinapasok talaga siya sa buhok. Okay. Hindi ba itinatalo yan?
Hindi, yan talaga siya. Let's go to Ashy.
Tao po. 10:50, almost 10:50 na.
Now?
No?
It starts already.
Yes, okay, thank you. Let's go.
Thank you so much, Lander. So sweet naman. At meron pa talaga ako, ha?
You're so sweet.
Thank you.
Sobrang ganda na Ashy. I think that would also be one of the top ones during Fashion Week. Insane. Insane detail. He used a lot. He had mother of pearls. Ito siguro yung pangalawang I almost cried. Like, it's so beautiful. Ashy himself is so kind. So Ashy, if you're watching this, I love you. Congratulations. I know you worked hard on this and it's beautiful. Grabe.
Ilang gyoza?
Anong bet sa...
Okay na. Sige.
I could have done without it.
May cook pa sa bahay eh. Sa
May
hotel.
pa.
Ang laan nyo. 6 hours later, it's still okay. So yun na nga yung Romanov. Tapos yun, they're love, pero they were all murdered. Pero ano yung sa Versailles?
Mayor Antoinette and the children was being imprisoned on surgery diyan, sa may tabi ng...
Kinig lang ako, hindi ako nag-research.
Nag-hard rock.
Actually, ngayon ko lang nalaman na si Joan of Arc is sa France.
Sa harapan na Lancaster. They said she's a witch.
Yeah. So they burned her alive.
Hayop kapalamama ka.
Sa
Ako wala
Rouen,
akong ambag, hindi ako nag-review. Sila na lang.
Bakit naging iconic yung Louvre?
Louvre is the official residence of the monarchy before. And the one who built the pyramid, that's...
Triangle ako, pyramid pala, girl.
pyramid.
Ay, triangle ko lang siya.
Munti ka magaling. Ano mo yung triangle? The pyramid.
Yung triangle eh.
Pyramid. Di ba sa sinasabi pa inverted pyramid sa baba?
Sorry na.
Hindi triangle.
It's the triangle for me. Hindi na. Kindergarten.
Tatanungin nila ako kung what is the meaning of trapeze or how do you the trapeze? Sabi ko, wait, yung trapeze is trapezoid, di ba? Pero trapezoid ka. Sabi niya, so irregular shape with 2 parallel cans.
Research mo yan.
Ayaw na.
Hoy, ginugol mo yan. Nakagising mo.
Hindi.
confident pa si Isa.
Alam mo!
Yung triangle?
May isa pa.
Yung ano?
Nag-Louvre si Isa.
Ibang klase ko.
Wala akong no. Nakakahiya,
Picture
girl.
pack. Muna sa lahat, nilagay niya yung
Where is?
doon.
Una sa lahat.
Tapos nag-emote-emote. Parang nilalagay. Cause I'm too busy.
Oh, girl, emote.
Tapos pumunta sa guard. Tinanong. Anong sabi sa guard?
Guard. Saan yung Last Supper?
Tapos ano sabi ng guard? Ano sabi ng guard? Ano sabi?
Tapos, sabi sa akin ni Isa, Jade, ikaw ba alam kung nasa Last Supper? Oo, nasa Italy.
Hindi ko alam kasi sobrang clueless ako. Gusto ko mag-shrink sa ground. It's very unbecoming.
Gusto mo na kayo ng lupa.
Next time, mag-research
Halika na, punta na tayo sa next show. I didn't say that.
Okay, okay.
Matagal ko talagang hinahanap ito eh. Ito talaga yung gusto kong suotin.
Cute niya. Ganda talaga.
Parang may kamukha.
Parang may kamukha.
Shoot for...
Parang lalabas ba
So, lalabas din eventually.
Totoo naman, nakakaubos.
Parang long gown siya na may coat na puro ganyan. Hi, Michelle! Enjoy!
Nice.
Sheila. Be careful. Ay, oh my God!
Gusto ko rin small lang.
But luma na to is, as in parang sila yung mga... Pero,
Grabe sa TikTok pala siya.
Pero worth it.
oo naman, kung maarte ka, go. Eh, ako maarte ako.
Justified.
Justified. Let's go to the next. Tamad na ako sa itsura ko. Okay lang ba? Yad mo na.
Ganda pa rin.
Okay lang, sige na. Last show! I'm not late, right? I'm
Early, madam. Love you. We're served you.
We're trying out this restaurant, Onyx. I'm so excited. I heard really good raves about this place, so let's begin. This is the treat for Paris Côte Couture, but this is to end it and to celebrate it. Let's begin. Okay.
Okay, next.
And then ito, na lang. Real. Automatic.